Good morning, children. How are you all? Let us start our maths. What we learned in maths in our last class is we learned multiplication and we finished multiplication with the number 1. Look at the board, all of you. I have written the ones table on the board. See, in this 1 is 1. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. That shows if we multiply a number with the 1, the answer is the number itself. Okay? If we multiply 2 with 1, the answer is 2. If we multiply 3 with 1, the answer is 3. This shows when we multiply a number with 1, the answer is the number itself. Okay? നമ്മൾ 1നെ ഒരു നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ സെയിം നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും. 1 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 3 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 4 like the same number comes as the answer. Next, let us learn multiplication of 2 and look at the board. I have written multiplication table of 2 also on the board. Let us go through multiplication table of 2. Okay? See, 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 times 2, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. Okay, this is the table of 2. And see the answers side. You can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Skip counting 2. We skip 2. See, so this is the answer. When we multiply a number with 2, the answer is even number. We learned even numbers. Which are even numbers? Say even numbers. Yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 and 10, 12, 14, 16. All these are even numbers. ഇരട്ട സംഖ്യകൾ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ ആൻസർ എപ്പോഴും ഈവൺ നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ? When we multiply a number by 2, the answer has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place. See ones place 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. So if we multiply a number with the 2, then the answer will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place. Okay? Ones place എന്തായിരിക്കും? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That means even numbers. That means ഇരട്ട സംഖ്യകളായിരിക്കും. Then next let us see 3 step. We have to write a number 3 times and add. Instead of that, we are multiplying with 3. 3 the table. Okay? Look at the board. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27. 10 3s are 30. So, in the next see, before that, let me show the multiplication table of 2 in your book. This is multiplication table of 2 and we have to complete the exercise which is given here. Okay? And that you have to learn the table by heart. Then next, multiplication table of 3 times. And see, the 3 times table contains numbers as odd, even, odd. See, 3 odd number, odd sankhya. 6 odd number means odd sankhya. Even number. So 1 odd number, even number, 9 odd number, 12 even number. Like this, the answer comes. When we multiply a number with 3, the answer is like this as odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, like this. First it comes 3. 3 is odd. Next it comes 6. 6 is even. And after 6, 3 3s are 9, odd. Then 4 3s are 12, even. So, odd, even, odd, even. In this order, in multiplication table of 3, the answer is coming. ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ നമ്മൾ 3 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആൻസർ എങ്ങനെയാണ് വരുന്നത്? ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ ഓഡ്, 3 ഓഡ്. അടുത്തത് ഈവൻ നമ്പർ 6. നെക്സ്റ്റ് 9 ഓഡ് നമ്പർ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈവൻ നമ്പർ. ലൈക്ക് ദിസ് ഇറ്റ് കംസ്. Then let us see table of 4. And before that, this is table of 3 in your book. And you have to complete the exercise here. Okay. The next table of 4. That also I have written on the board. That is, see, 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. Then look at the answer part. Also look at the answer part. Which number? Is it odd or even? Yes, here also we got even numbers. Even number ആണ്. And see ones place, this is ones place. 4, 8 and in 12, 2 is in ones place. In 16, 6 is in ones place. And in 20, 0 is in ones place. And in 24, 4 is in ones place. So, when a number is multiplied by 4, the answer has 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place. Like this 2's table. 2-ന്റെ ടേബിളിൽ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ 4-ന്റെ ടേബിളിൽ ones പ്ലേസിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ വരും? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 even numbers comes in ones place. Even numbers come in ones place, 4's table. And next let us see. So in your textbook it is given 4's table and exercise. All of you complete this exercise. Okay. Take your time and by heart the table. Now you look at the table and complete the exercise. Okay. And next week only you by heart these tables. You have to by heart these tables. Okay. The next let us do 5's table. I have written on the board 5's table and see 1 times 5, that is 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. That's skip counting of 5. Skip counting of 5. This is skip counting of 4. This is skip counting of 3. This is skip counting of 2. 2's table skip counting of 2. 5-ന്റെ ടേബിളിൽ 5 നമ്പർ വെക്കാം. വിട്ട് എണ്ണിയാൽ ആൻസർ കിട്ടും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി ഈസി. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Like this, the answer will come. Once again this one. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 25, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Okay. So, when we multiply a number by 5, the answer has 0 and 5 in one's place. You can see 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0. Like this, in one's place it comes 5 0 5 0 5 0 like this. And here you see first one 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 1. Like this it will come. So you just listen. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Very easy to learn. Tens table also very easy. And next let us learn tens table. Okay. Let us learn tens table. And see, I hope now you can see tens table on the board. And see, this is tens table. And 1 10 10. 2 tens are 20. Very easy. 3 tens are 30. 4 tens are 40. 5 tens are 50. 6 tens are 60. 7 tens are 70. 8 tens are 80. 9 tens are 90. 10 tens are 100. And when we multiply a number by 10, the answer always has 0 in one's place. In all one's place 0. And you just listen, in tens place it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in tens place counting numbers comes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. That is 10. Okay. So, it is very easy to write in one's place 0. And in counting numbers 1 to 9, you can write in tens place. Okay. So, this table of 10 is very easy. So, you have to by heart all these tables. Okay.